Hi, this is a video to assist with drawing the serving tray for serving tray checkpoint 2. We're going to draw it and then we're going to have a look at some working drawings. So I'm using the web-based SketchUp version, app.sketchup.com/app, or you can link it. I just searched for web-based SketchUp. So we're going to create new from a simple template with millimeters. Okay, and we can get rid of the person, which will show us the scale. Then we're going to draw a line first, and we're going to say that that is 500 long, and enter. We'll make it 360 wide. And you can see the line that I've drawn is green, which means it's on parallel to the axis, and I can draw that there. Now, I'm sliding my mouse button, but you could alternatively find zoom over here to do that. Okay, so what have I got? Right, the base is going to be plywood, and it's going to be 3 millimeters. So I'm typing in the 3 and pressing enter. Okay, so now I'm going to select all of that and make that a component. Sorry, try that again. I'll select all of that and I'll right click on my mouse and make a component, and I'll call that the base. By doing that, it means that when I draw on top of it, the things that I draw won't stick to it. I can draw separate bits and pieces. So here's my next trick. I'm going to draw on that frame like so. And no, that didn't work. Try that again. Right, that's it. And then I will extrude that up. And we're going to make the sides of ours 60 millimeters, like so. I now have the offset tool, which I just need to find there. Click on that, pull it in, and I'm going to type in 12, which is going to be the thickness of my ply. Then I can select that face and delete, and there's my serving tray. Now, to find the next step, I'm looking for a tool that looks like a tape measure. There it is. Okay, and so the line that this draws is a guideline that doesn't print. See how it's gone to the blue dot? That's the center. We'll do the same thing down this way to the center. Okay, now I'm going to draw out from that 40 millimeters. Okay, and so now I'm going to draw a circle. There's a circle there, and I'm going to make the circle have a radius of 16 and a radius of 16 there. I'll draw a line from that top point, which is the tangent, to there, to there, erase everything except the outside, and using my push-pull tool, which is there, I'll make that disappear and select backspace. Okay, so I should be able to select, hold my shift button down, all of that, still holding shift down. I'm going to grab that and move it, and if I press Control, it'll now move that as a copy. It's on the green axis, on the face, on the green axis to there. I'll click that off, push-pull tool, and we should be able to erase that there. No, why is that not doing that for me? Let's try that again. Push-pull. It's on the back edge. Okay, I can't get that to work, so this is what I'm going to do. Same thing. I'll turn that around. I'm just doing that by holding the scroll bar on my mouse. And then tape measure tool. There it is. Find the center. Put blue dot. Find the center. Blue dot. Off there. 40. Enter. Off there. That'll now be 80. There. Circle tool. Drag that out. 16. 16. We're going to draw a line from the top point there. And erase all the insides. And now let's see if I can push-pull that. Yep, okay. That's still giving me a surface inside. I'm not sure why. Oh, I see what's happened. Okay, there's no inside on that surface there. You can see carefully, you see how that's showing that the rails are hollow. So I simply need to drag each of these down. Now, a lot of my movements are done using the mouse. If you don't have a mouse, then just be patient and you will manage to find your way around just using your cursor. Okay, so that's very strange. Right, I'm going to ignore that. Okay, save. And add a folder. We'll call this the serving tray and create. Okay. And that's the serving tray. Great. Now that's it. Back to SketchUp. We've got that saved now. Now, if we were using the professional version, we then export this into another program called Layout. But I can simply cheat, and I'll show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to select all of that, and I'm going to make a group, and I'm going to move it like this. I'm going to press Control, and move it like that. Then I'm going to rotate it, which uses this button here, rotate, and all we need to do is click on that, turn it over like so, and then I want to move it down so that those two are in line. So I'm going to click there, that point there, like so. And drag it out like that. Right, so I'm going to change my view around. So I'm looking at it like that. Okay, so I can see the top and the front. The other way that we could do that is slide down here. Nope. There. Top view there, like so. And I'm going to click this button, which is going to be parallel. So there we go. Okay, so now we are seeing it from the top and from the side. Okay. Select all of those. Rotate. There. Now we have top view on top and the front view there. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is to find how to put some dimensions in. So I'm just clicking through here. I'm just hunting for the dimensions. So let's see here if I can see where to put dimensions in. I just use these flyouts. Not there, not there, and there's my dimensions. So 500 by 360 by 60 by 3. And there's your working drawing. Now I'll do a screenshot of that. I'll do a screenshot of that, and I can then paste that straight into my Google Sheet. If you want to, you can save it as a capture on there, and we will just call that working drawing. So that would be the second part that you would do on that task 2. Now for the whole sheet itself, then you could simply delete this and screenshot that. And paste that into your Google document for task 2. Good luck. I'll call that an ISO.